Lesson 22. Repeat signs and tenuto signs. Sometimes sections of music are played more than once during a piece. There are a number of ways that this can happen, and you should try to remember what the following signs mean so that you always know which parts of the music to repeat. So a double bar line, which has 2 dots just to the left of it, this means repeat the music from the start. It can also mean repeat the music from the double bar line with the 2 dots after it. You'll see this in the PDF or on page 70 of the book. You also need to know what DC al fine means. This is short for the Italian term da capo al fine, which means go back to the start and then play to fine, or the end. And fine means the end. So when you're playing all through the night, you're going to play the first line, then repeat from the beginning, then go all the way through to where it says DC al fine, and then go back to the beginning again, and then play again through to where it says fine. This is all through the night. Play this very peacefully. The tenuto sign. The word tenuto is the Italian word meaning held. In music, we sometimes see a small line written just above or below the note head. It means that we should hold that note for its full length and also apply a slight accent to it or a bit of extra pressure to it. In other words, play it slightly louder and definitely not staccato. Here is the William Tell Overture. It's marked presto, so that means very fast. It starts very loud, it starts forte, and it has repeat in the middle. Several bars are repeated in the middle. So watch out for all of those, as well as for the notes which are marked tenuto.